Hey guys, what's up? Back with the oh my god, that annoying noise. Hi, I'm just gonna sounds. Alright. I'm just gonna get into this. This is a Jitterclicking tutorial. Like, do you know how to jitterclick? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Anyway, I'm just gonna be hopping into a couple games showing you what to do. But first, I need to go show you how to jitterclick and how to use it. Basically, I'll just go over here. It's okay. I did record this video already, and the audio for some reason bugged out. And if it's bugged out again, I'm gonna be kind of annoyed. So let's hope it doesn't bug out. And if it does, I'm gonna cry. Not really. Don't have to hurt me feelings. Anyway, so to jitterclick, you kind of just gotta tense up your wrist muscle right here. If you're looking here, down, right there, you tense that up and just basically vibrate it, so that your mouse can register that there's like multiple clicks like really fast. I don't know how to drag click because that sucks. And nobody likes drag clicking because there's like no skill in that. But this has skill. You can also do it like this, or like this, which is what I started doing. When I failed to do butterfly clicking, here, let me quickly just turn on my CPS. Default, yeah, this one. Just look in the top right corner. Gives you around 10 CPS. It's pretty good. I don't use that profile though, so it's okay. And so basically, after you do that, the mouse you're gonna want is one of the Razer mouses that is newer, like Razer Death Hat or Razer Mamba Elite, or the Glorious Model O. Really, any really good gaming mouse. I think Logitech's work too, but by the way, really any new gaming mouse should work. I even used like a Five Below one once, and it worked. So, yeah, that's it's not really a problem if you unless you have like a crappy old like 2,000 year old one. Then you're gonna want to probably get a new mouse. It could be like $2 more. Yeah, but you definitely don't need a very expensive mouse. But I'm just gonna hop into some solos and show you the power of this beautiful power that I have here. Yeah, should look pretty smooth for you guys, but for me, the friggin' crosshair is lagging. It's kind of annoying. It's kind of helpful though. So yeah, load in. You're also gonna want to have faster looting speeds than I have, because for some reason I am slow at looting. For some reason. Oh no, did I just do an oopsie? Yes, I did. That's not like I use them that much, because people who use eggs, I mean, they're okay at the game, I guess. I don't know, they're not the best at the game. Like, at least fight somebody, at least. Yeah, hopefully this kid doesn't unpogger me. Noob, you really tried, brother. He's probably epic at the game. Ow. We're going to mid, which probably isn't the best idea, but... And he two-shotted me, that's epic. Yeah, he probably had Trinked or something. I don't know what he had. He might have had X. No. If you're wondering why my name is Mr. Minecraft 808, it's because that's my original gamer tag from Xbox 360 like 6 years ago. So it made me feel nostalgic, and plus I play Minecraft for fun, just for professional use like people do these days. I don't know. So, yeah, I use that name. That's if you see me in the game. Hypixel, hit me up if you want to make me one of those YouTubers. Hey, friend. How you doing, buddy? Oh, he surprisingly didn't want to instantly frick. Alright, whatever, brother. I am behind you. I want to let you know that. Well, that was not the best combo ever. But, yeah, it was okay. I don't know why. Oh wow, he had a better sword. Alright, you're gonna want to use a good sword. Nah, he's gonna kill me. Yeah, well, pick your battles or something. I don't know. For some reason I was doing really good. I might just insert the I'm gonna clip together some of the clips from the other video, but the audio glitched, so you're not gonna hear any audio. Well, I mean, you might hear the game audio. It was very loud though. You'll see though. You'll see my epic gamer clips with it. I'll just throw them at the end of the video or something. I don't know. I'll just wait for them to happen. See my epic power gameplay. I don't need that. Booties. All right, you're also gonna want to make some good combos with stuff. Like use fishing rods. Don't be this kid, actually. I mean, he could have killed me right there, but I didn't really feel like letting him kill me, so yeah, don't want to really ruin my day like that. I'm gonna make a video, brother. Don't do that. I don't know how to speed bridge yet, so if anyone wants to give me a free class on how to speed bridge, that'd be helpful. I would not mind that at all. Hey, stuff. Who doesn't spawn skeletons? Probably a lot of people, but who cares? Skeletons are helpful. Love skeletons with all your heart. They are very beautiful creatures. I mean, if I don't get that many like combos in this game, then I'm probably gonna just make a new game, because yeah, there's like nobody who wants to actually fight. Oh frick! Didn't know you were up there, buddy. Yeah, he's blocking. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna go Armor Smith because maybe that'll work. I don't know. Well, you get the gist of it, though. It is good, I swear. I'll put in the clips now. Here, you'll just see some of the highlights of that kill. Quickly. Yep. Alright. I don't have a chest plate that I need to put on. Don't do that. Nope. 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 There we go. Don't use your scroll wheel either. Even though I'm still using my scroll wheel, it's because I still have to get used to stuff. Hey friend, I'm not trying to fight you or anything. Don't worry. Did he just catch on fire or something like that? I don't know. Oh, he caught himself on fire because he tried to put down lava for some reason. Alright, that's fine with me. Did he kill himself? Maybe? I don't know. Maybe that's what he was trying to do. Take himself out before I can get the kill. You catching me, Floyd? Yeah, you're also gonna maybe not a sweat. Oh, good job. You do you, brother. Yeah, I'm not really ready to die to this kid, so I'm gonna try to attempt to kill him. He's probably gonna get bulldozed right here. That's good. Yeah, this guy's a sweat. Can't let it. Oh. Alright, well, no, screw that kid. If you dab, you're instantly bad at the game. I'll insert some clips here as I play in the background. I'll pull them like down to the side or something. I don't know. You'll see them in the bottom right, top left, or top right corner. You'll see them. Yeah. Just if you really want to focus on my epic gameplay here, then you can. But clearly, no. That was kind of comical. He really tried. He really wanted that rush. Didn't get it though because he's a noob, so get pwned, noob. You're also gonna want to rush mid because that's a good idea. You're not gonna be bondo. Don't lag either, because if you lag, you're instantly bad at the game. So. Something everyone should know. Yeah, that's not actually true. If you lag, it's just because your internet is okay. It's not okay, actually. It's kind of trash. Nobody's gone to mid yet, apparently. Literally nobody's gone to mid. I'd be lucky. Oh. Please let me go. I really do. This kid. Oh, fudge. Yeah, you're gonna want to not get killed. If my guy comes down here, I'm gonna kind of not like him. Yeah, you like the angle that I have here now? I like the handy things. this is probably not going to go up until a couple of days from now. Yeah, that gets a sweat. Oh, my friend. Yeah. Yeah, kid, I wouldn't rush me. Oh, nice lag, buddy. Hey, see? Yeah, finally got a good game in. Let's go. Alright, I'm probably going to end the video there because that's a good idea. Yeah, I'll have the other clips in, like, the bottom right corner, something like that. If you watched this video and thought it was helpful, subscribe for more videos like this. I mean, this is my first video like this, but if you thought this was helpful, just subscribe or like, I don't care, either way. Or if you didn't find it helpful, dislike the video. There's going to be probably people who dislike the video anyway, but who cares? Yeah, that's kind of stupid, actually. I think, like, some people who just randomly, like, I think it might be bots, but who cares? I don't get disliked that much because I don't have that many subscribers, but if you found this helpful and you're like that one, you know, that one video that everyone has on their channel that somehow exploded because it was actually helpful, this might be the video. So, yeah, if this is your first time viewing my channel, hi, subscribe, you might like it. If you don't like it, you can always unsubscribe. It's free and stuff. You get to make an account. Did you know that actually, like, I actually did check the analytics. There's, like, 72% of people who aren't subscribed who watch my videos, so I don't know. Actually, probably more. Yeah, but just, if you watch my videos and enjoy them, please do subscribe. It makes me happy, because this channel has been around for, like, 5 years right now. It's been around for a long, like 4 years, actually. It's been around for a long time, and it's been my dream to be a YouTuber. And I hope that one time I can accomplish that dream. Even 1,000 subscribers would make me happy. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this, please do subscribe. If you have any suggestions for what you want me to post, if you like the hand cam, then comment that. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.